A very hearty and pleasant morning to respected dignitaries, parents, and our schoolmates. I, Samriddhi Bharadwaj,
And I, Harshpal,
extend a warm welcome to all who have gathered here to a very special occasion of the Academic Achievers Award ceremony of the RN School. This is a day of celebration, recognition, and pride. We are here to honor and applaud the hard work and excellence of our students in the session 2024-2025. Now, I would like to invite Director Sir, Principal Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, Joint Director Sir, and the coordinates of previous academic year to do the lamp lighting. Mr. Pankaj Pateria Sir, Miss Ridhika Ma'am, Mrs. Nidhi Ma'am, Miss Diksha Ma'am.
माँ सरस्वती के साथ होता है सुख समृद्धि का आगमन। उनके आशीर्वाद से झूम उठता है हमारा तन और हमारा मन। अब मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करता हूँ कि कृपया सरस्वती वंदना के लिए अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाइए। Now I request everyone to please be seated. आशीर्वाद के बाद हम वंदन करते हैं सभी उपस्थित माता पिता का। इस संसार में माता पिता को भगवान का दर्जा दिया गया है। हो भी क्यों ना आखिर वह केवल माँ बाप ही तो होते हैं जो बिना किसी स्वार्थ को खुद को मुसीबत में डालकर हर समय अपने बच्चों की ढाल बनकर खड़े रहते हैं।
Strong leadership is the foundation of our school's success. Our principal ma'am has been a constant guiding light and has shaped many students and teachers alike. Ma'am, can we please have you on the stage to encourage the gathering with your kind words?
A very good morning to all of you. A very good morning to Honorable Director Sir, Principal Director Ma'am, proud parents, proud teachers, and all dear students. I am immensely pleased to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion, a celebration of consistent hard work, perseverance, and dedication. Students' achievements are reflection of their tireless efforts, their courage to face the challenges, and of course, exemplary guidance given by the teachers. and unconditional support of their family. So, to the achievers, my hearty congratulations, and to others, keep going. Your success is definitely waiting for you in your future life. So, as in few words, it is said, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, हर कठिनाई में छुपी कोई नई बात तो होती, छोटे छोटे झोंकों से चिराग नहीं बुझते, हौसले बुलंद हो तो मंजिल पास ही होती. So once again, congratulations and my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Now we will begin the procession to honor the highest achievers of each class, the students who had secured the maximum percentage in the previous session. We request the achievers to come forward one by one as we call their names. First, there is a tie for the first position between Manya Yadav and Riyansh Yadav from class nursery, who scored 99.8%.
Second academic achiever of this beautiful morning is Shravya Saxena from class junior KG, who scored 98.5%.
The third achiever in the procession is Bhavesh Meena from class senior KG, who scored 99.75%.
In class first A, brilliant performance was shown by Devagam Khare, who scored 98.1%.
Now the achiever of class first B is Yaman Yadav, who scored 98%.
Prasiddhi Dwivedi is the achiever from class second A with a score of 95%.
Following her, we have Sanskar Khare from class 2nd B with a score of 97%.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to all the academic achievers. Now, I humbly request our Principal Director, ma'am, whose wisdom and vision enriches our school's environment, to give away the prizes to the academic achievers of grade 3rd to 6th. In grade 3rd A, impressive performance was shown by Oren Soni, who had scored 93.2%.
Following her, Vedika Dubey from grade 3rd B scored 96.2%.
Pragya Sharma is the achiever from grade 4th A with a score of 93%.
Up next,
Congratulations, Radhika. May God bless you. Go after Oren.
up next is Diksha Tiwari from grade 4th B, who scored 95%.
Congratulations. May God bless you.
Now we have Arohi Khare from grade 4th C with a score of 92%.
May God bless you.
Please come forward, Ved from grade 5th A, who had score of 92.3%.
Congratulations, Om. May God bless you.
Kushabri Kumar Verma is the achiever from grade 5th B with a score of 95%.
Congratulations. Hold it like this.
Following him, we have Jyoti Kumari from grade 5th C who scored 92%.
Good morning. Congratulations, Vita. May God bless you. Straight.
Please give them a huge round of applause. Now the achiever of grade 6A is Manya Srivastav, who had a score of 91.3%.
May God bless you.
Our next achiever is Preeti Yadav from grade 6th B with an impressive score of 95.4%. Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations to all the academic achievers. Now, I request our esteemed Joint Director, sir, to kindly grace the stage and do the honor of unveiling the school yearbook for the academic year 2024-2025 and enlighten us with some of his enthusiastic words.
Good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, honorable guests, parents, teachers and my dear friends. I am honored to be here on stage and I have been given two tasks. The first one is to congratulate the winners of session 2024-2025. I congratulate them for their hard work, sincerity, dedication and perseverance and whatnot. Children, you must understand, this achievement seems to be like a one-day thing, but it's definitely not that. It's a journey. These students must have worked hard throughout the year, and I saw many of them had almost 100% attendance. The highest academic achievers also had highest attendance. So there's a clear correlation between attendance and good marks. I am sure that there are many children who missed being here on stage by a very small margin. I feel really bad for you, but this is how life is. And you will learn later on in life that competition is very tough in our beloved country. So it's better to understand, have an understanding of that tough competition from a very young age. To those who missed by a very big margin, children, you need to work hard. And this journey has already begun in the current session. Work hard and try to be here next time. Now, I would also like to congratulate the students who are going to be awarded for the highest attendance. Children, I always say whenever I come here on stage that the school is your karma bhumi for 15 years. And you cannot make any frivolous excuse of not coming to the school. It's like your parents getting up one day and saying, "Aaj man nahi kar raha to office nahi ja rahe." That is not possible. There are people like Narayan Murthy, the founder of Infosys. Have you heard about him? He says we should work for 90 hours a week. And here we are not coming to school by faking a stomachache. That is simply not done. Now, lastly and most importantly, why I am here today is to unveil the first of its kind school yearbook for the session 2024-25. Now, this is a special gift for the outgoing students of class 12th, and they should be grateful to me personally because this is my idea. They can clap for that. It has a lot of their memories, the laughter they shared, the fun they had, the activities they participated in. It will have the friends that they made during the year. It will also have people that they fought with during the year. And it has a detail of all the trips that they made with the school. So, congratulations, dear students. Today, before you go, you will be taking this yearbook back with you. Okay, thank you, everyone. Huh?
Thank you, sir, for unveiling this excellent memento for our Class 12th board students. I'm sure they will cherish this yearbook forever.
Now, I request our very respected director, sir, to give away the prizes to the deserving candidates of classes 7, 8, 9, and 11 for their extraordinary academic performance. Sir, your leadership lights the way for our school community to keep moving ahead.
To begin with, we have Ashika Singh from class 7th A who secured 97%.
Next is Athar Trivedi from class 7B who scored 96%.
Following him, please come Divyanshi Raipat from class 8th A with an excellent score of 99%.
Now, the achiever of class 8B is Prateek Mathur with a score of 90.8%.
Aditi Yadav is the achiever from class 9th A who had scored 89.3%.
Up next is Arjun Srivastav from class 9B who scored 89.9%.
There is a tie for the first position between Devansh Rajput and Divyanshi Bajpayee of class 11th A with a score of 81.73%.
In class 11B, remarkable performance was shown by Sanit Juneja with a score of 95.73%.
Now the achiever of class 11C is Dave Mahajan who secured 77.47%.
Bringing this proud procession to an end, we have Kritika Mishra from class 11E with a score of 85.4%.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the academic achievers. Regular presence of students in school is incredibly important for several reasons. Therefore, I now request the Joint Director, sir, to please honor the students who were present regularly in the school, and hence they performed very well throughout the previous session. First, we call Jayan Shakya from grade nursery who maintained an impressive attendance of 93.36%.
Here. Hari, look in the camera.
Next, we invite Divishika Singh from grade junior KG who had also maintained an impressive attendance of 94.38%.
Congratulations. Look in the camera. Go stand over there.
Please welcome Arika Nirja Atri from grade senior KG, whose regularity was 95.9%.
Congratulations. Look in the camera. Go stand there.
Up next is Shreya Chauhan from grade 1st A, who maintained an attendance of 98.4%.
Congratulations. Look in the camera.
Joining us next is Hardik Sharma from grade 2nd A with an impressive consistency of 99%.
99%. Congratulations. Look in the camera. Go stand there.
Please come forward Arush Kumar from grade 2nd B, who demonstrated an outstanding regularity of 99.4%.
Following him, we have Laksh Sahu from grade 3rd A, whose regularity was 98.4%.
Congratulations. Look in the camera.
Divya Verma from grade 3rd B is the next, achieving a noteworthy attendance of 99%.
Congratulations. Look in the camera.
We now call upon Pragya Sharma from grade 4th A with an extraordinary consistency of 99%.
Look in the camera.
Please come forward Arush Kumar from grade 2nd B, who demonstrated an outstanding regularity of 99.4%. Let's welcome Prince Kumar from grade 4th B, who demonstrated exceptional commitment with a perfect 100% attendance.
100% attendance. Congratulations.
Navya Kodwani from grade 4th C is the next with a remarkable attendance of 99%.
In the camera.
Following her, here comes
Okay.
Up next, we have Deshna Jain from grade 5th B achieving a regular attendance of 97.9%.
we are pleased to invite Devansh.
Now let's call Ikra Banu from grade 6A with a regularity of 89%.
Next up, Lokesh Raikwad from grade 6B with an impressive consistency of 98%.
We proudly welcome Ashika Singh from grade 7A for achieving a perfect 100% attendance.
Also the topper.
Let's call upon Divyansh Babdia from grade 7B for maintained a near perfect attendance of 98.95%.
Manas Porwal from grade 8A joins us now, having reached a regularity of 95.7%.
Coming forward now is Dishita Khare from grade 8B with consistent attendance of 97.4%.
Following her is Deorishi Atri from grade 9A who demonstrated a regularity of 97%.
Next up, Vardhan Namdev from grade 9B with noteworthy punctuality and presence of 98%.
7%.
Congratulations, Ishaq.
Let's give them a huge round of applause. from grade 11B, please come forward to collect the award for achieving a regularity of 94.8%.
Joining us next is Manvi Thapa from grade 11C, who maintained an attendance of 89%.
To conclude, a joint recognition goes to Eileen Joseph and Sanskriti Chaurasia from grade 11B, each demonstrating a regularity of 85%.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the achievers. Heartiest congratulations to all the academic champions. Your excellence sets a shining example to all of us. We are lucky to be born in this great nation where dreams take flight and hopes find a home. I would like to request everyone to stand and pay homage to our motherland by singing the national anthem in unison.
शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे